Hi guys, and today our topic car restoration. Not just simple repair, but for what we need to do this. This is process. This is very hard accomplished process and a lot of guys can't finish it. Very sadly for me.
Patrick's Garage.
And sometimes I'm across the offers about old cars that guys say, oh, I start repairing, restoration project, as they like to say about car repairing process, which can be in a long period, during a long period of time. Yes, for long period, they say that this is their projects. And a very interesting thing. And thing is how to continue doing this project. How to not quit. A lot of guys not able to finish their projects, and they decided to selling them maybe as unit project or maybe by parts, engine, body parts. So that I bought my 1972 as was a not finished project, and the guy he cut the parts of floor and he decided to weld, but he can't to do. But this was not done, so I bought this car. We always keep this fire of desire. We never going to do something if we don't have to. And what I want to say, benefits of car repairing. You always can find benefits. You can learning something. You can study a lot of parts, but in case with me, I've got a lot of activities which I have had no before, like welding, painting, and any study about electric, about wires, fuses, what means how they connected with each another. Car repair and restoration can be in collaboration with another activities, with a lot of different hobbies in car, a lot of things which can be interesting to do. And more than this, considering all this process, you need to thinking, you need to find the roots of problems, you need to solve these things. This is a lot of conundrums you can find in old car, especially if car was not used. Very hardly to find real causes of problems. You can check this, check that, maybe try to replace these parts, maybe these parts, and it is at the finished. When you're finished, when you find the main root of the problem, you will be very satisfied, and this will your reward. You can get this reward. You accomplish your work, and this is very, very healthy, especially for brain. You in collaboration, brain activity, and your hands, your physical activity. You're always doing something by your hands. Yes, you're using wrench, you're using ratchet, you're using screwdrivers. All the time, you fixing something, you disassembling something. This is the work for your hands. And all the time, you should using your brain. You're thinking how to do this better. You get experience, then your brain using this experience. You understand how to do this, how to do that, and how how to start. And we should have all the time, we should have motivation. You never going to do what not interesting for you. You want to do something what will be interesting. Maybe easy what you can to do. So all the time I want to start from things that I know, which I can doing, which doable for me, and then I'm doing what I want to do. Maybe you want to messing with the wires. Maybe you want to clean rust. Maybe you want to painting something. Maybe you want to find the causes why engine burning oil. Very interesting. You can messing with engine all the day, not only cleaning the engine like my ex-boss is doing, and they say, "Oh, I'm messing with my motor all the day, from early morning to the latest evening." And they spend a lot of time. And yes, what we're talking about, we think about motivation and. Yes, will be better to start from what you're really interesting, and then after that you accomplish all these deals, and when they will be done, you have experience and you can doing what as it seems to you maybe a little bit difficult for that stage, for that level, for right now time, and then so this is gradually process of improving your skills. But sadly moment which we're talking about, that a lot of guys not achieved this finish their goal of restoration. Maybe they have not enough power, not enough motivation. So we shouldn't even start doing big work with car. Maybe a little bit, and the car should be in working condition, but we repairing it, but not disassembling completely, because this is so hardly to finish this work. Probably for me especially needs silence. And silence you can get in a garage when you're sitting and messing with your car, going around with your car, and you sitting, you get silence, and you better can thinking. Mentally, this is very healthy, but silence you can get inside in a garage. So for health, this is also have benefits, our repairing process. And of course, emotions, very big motivator for you, your emotions. You like to messing, to repairing your car, then you get reward. You can beautiful condition of car. You improving your car only in this case if you love your car. You continue doing repair and your desire, your motivation. So your desire to repair, your motivation keep you going. That's your driver. And one thing, will be 10 if we start counting from the beginning, but this is very important, and I think it will be number 1 in our list, but it's number 10. All what you doing with car should be enjoyable. Only in this case, enjoyable process. Not so important the goal, I don't know, the perfect car. This is so hard to achieve perfectness with old car, but process should be enjoyable. And I think this is the main motivation thing. Enjoyable process. You should be in comfortable position to accomplish a lot of things. So what I personally think will be better to focus not on result in hobbies. This is if this is stage as hobby process, car restoration. Car repair, yes, we have to repair car to maintain car in a working condition. But this is thing as we say about hobby, about the projects. I really can't understand what means project. I know what means repairing, restoration, but what means project? Car need to go to somewhere driving around. When you need to go, you need car. But what means project? A very strange thing. And so, main thing is focus not on result, but focus on the process. If process enjoyable, you will want to continue. This is very bad when guys just stop and not continue. They want to solve their resolve of the project as they say that they want to solve their project. This is not so. You want to continue, you should enjoy. Thanks for your attention. Thanks for your support. Till next time.